Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com CRO Coin's price. I want to talk about the meme coin BONK. I want to also announce the winner for my BONK giveaway, as well as just talk about where I think that the markets are headed in the not so distant future. So guys, we are at 6,300 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we will be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And at 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded lion NFT, guys, which is pretty awesome. And each month you're a member of the channel, you get plus 10 entries. All you gotta do is retweet this and be subscribed to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So, all right, guys. So the overall market right now, the crypto heat map is relatively good. I mean, we're playing with $17,000 Bitcoin, which is really nice. I would love to see us break above that and hold above that. We got $1,253 ETH. Solana is up. It was playing with being down today, but it's up right now. And we're doing good. This is not a crazy day. We'll see how the markets react when the traditional markets fully open into the day. But as for right now, we're looking pretty healthy. So, guys, I want to say that this came out today that a judge rules Celsius users gave up their legal rights to their crypto when using the platform. Crypto deposits are now property of Celsius. Guys, I think that's absolutely absurd. I think that it was a great scam. I think that Celsius that was a scam. It was a scam just because you know the fine print, right? The fine print. Just because the fine print says, "Oh, if you use our platform, you're giving the rights away. This is our crypto now." They maybe can get away with that with crypto. But I will say when the regulation comes, that is not going to be the case. And I guarantee you that people are going to sue them. People are going to sue Celsius and lay into this because this isn't right, guys. I mean, just because that's like saying, here, lend me $1 million and sign this contract. And on the contract, it just says, if I decide not to pay you back, I just won't. It's very strange. It's very, very strange. But guys, be careful with your crypto. Be careful using centralized exchanges. I personally love crypto.com, but I will be honest, I have a lot of my money in different DeFi wallets, CDC, the crypto.com DeFi app is fantastic. And honestly, you have a lot more ways you can use your money to help have your money work for you when you have it in these other apps, these DeFi apps. Because honestly, sure, like you could have your money on, say, CDC, the main app, and it could be safe. It will be safe as long as they don't just completely blow up like FTX, but they won't. And I feel shivers go down my spine when I say that because you know what? Comparing CDC to FTX is just not even. It's not. It's like comparing apples to oranges. But it's important that we think about that and we know that you know it's important to protect your money. It's important to protect your crypto. Have some on a ledger. Have some on a centralized app. Have some on a decentralized wallets. Have them on many wallets. It's important. It's really important, guys, that we are secure with our funds. But I just am really. It's just sad to see this. It's just sad to see that crypto deposits are people's crypto deposits are property of Celsius. It's pretty ridiculous. But all right, let's look at the CRO Coin price. So right now, guys, we are pumping up off of this trend line. I love to see it. You guys know that I love when we're above this line. When we get this space in between this line, that's what I want to see. I don't want to see the grinding out and the break below. We are up right now. That's really good. We could do this, this, this. I would love to see that. Bring us up to the 10-cent range. We're trading between 10 cents and 5.5 cents. I love to be above this support at 5.5 cents. And we've been having some of these crazy spikes, and that's what CRO does, though. I mean, when it's trading on platforms with low liquidity, it's pretty interesting. They just get the wick. They just wick like crazy, wicking up to 6.5 cents the other day. It's pretty wild. Let's look at the daily and get a little bit better of a picture of what's going on here. Yeah, look at that wick. It's absolutely absurd. It's absurd. Coming all the way up there. But yeah, guys, I'm bullish. I'm bullish on CRO. I really think that we're starting to lead into a more of a up into the right area with crypto because I think we've bottomed out. I really do, and I'll say that, and I'll call it, and I'll say what it is, and but I will say I could be wrong. I could definitely be wrong. We could go down. We definitely could go down. But I will say that based on all the indicators and what's going on in the world, I think that there's a good chance here that we have bottomed out on Bitcoin. But okay, guys, so I want to talk about BONK a little bit. So BONK did dump last night, but it's already back up 38%. It's absolutely absurd. It dumped about, let's see, can I even measure on this? Yeah, I can measure this. Let's see. It dumped, oh man, it dumped 65% in the night. That's absolutely absurd. But we're already back up 38%, so we already cut half those gains away. And it's funny because the way that this dumped, you can tell that this is from a person that has never exited a position of a higher magnitude because they just threw it all and they lost over $100,000 in profits. Because this was one person. They lost over $100,000 in profits just from dumping this. So you can tell it's actually a good thing because you can tell this wasn't a orchestrated dump or anything like that. That was somebody that made a bunch of money from their airdrops and they capitalized on it and they sold. And honestly, they probably made a few $1,000,000. I mean, they probably made about $20 to $30 million in profits from airdrops. Just from airdrops. I mean, they could have added to their position, but I don't believe they did. I think that this is from a NFT whale, and they got a ton of this BONK airdrop to them, and now they're dumping it, and good for them. Honestly, good for them. That's absolutely absurd. Life-changing wealth from a NFT airdrop on the Solana blockchain. It's very, very intriguing, guys. Very intriguing. So I had a million coin BONK giveaway, and the winner is ASOL. I tagged him. I'm going to be DMing him. I know he knows he won, which is great. And I can't wait to do more giveaways, guys. It's so fun to do these. And whether it's a big giveaway, a small giveaway, just like I was joking around with Crypto Kip, we're going to be the Mr. Beast of crypto. I would love to do that for you guys. Give back to the community. I've been in the crypto space since like 2016. It's been a blast. It's been a ride, guys. So let's look over at Bitcoin because I've been talking about how I think that we've bottomed out, and I keep talking about this 370 days from the Bitcoin peak of 2017 to the bottom in 2018 was 370 days, and right now we're at 420 days, guys. I really believe we bottomed out about at 406 or 407, 407 days from the peak of 69,000. I think we bottomed out there. But like I said, I'm going to be continuing to add these days until I get pure confirmation that we get to the upside leading into the Bitcoin halving, guys. We are about 365 days away, a little bit less at this point, about 360 days till the new year. And I think that the Bitcoin halving will be in about 360 days to probably about 400 days. So give or take 40 days, but I will say 365 days leading to the Bitcoin halving is when the hype starts, and usually people just picture it, oh, well, it's going to be this year where the Bitcoin halving is. So that's something to keep in mind, guys. I'm very bullish. I think that I'm very bullish on crypto.com, and I'm very bullish on Bitcoin right now. I think that we have upside right around the corner. Be careful, though. I will say be careful. I have to say both ways. Be careful. But honestly, would you rather buy now at $16,800 Bitcoin and watch it go to $14K or even $10,000 Bitcoin and buy it there? Or would you rather wait and buy it when it's 50K? It's very tricky. I think we're in a very good accumulation zone here. I've been buying for the past few months, and I'm going to continue buying. I'm going to continue buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto.com. I'm going to be exploring more NFT spaces on the Cronos chain and on the Solana chain. Maybe even check out the Polygon chain because that's where Utes from DGods is moving over to. But that's for a later video. But guys, so let's look over at the S&P 500 really quick. So the S&P 500, we are trading. Still, we're looking healthy here. We're still looking healthy here. We'll see why we close out at the end of the day. But we definitely are looking healthy here, guys. I don't want to see us break below this line. I mean, it's okay. It's okay if we come down here. That's definitely going to put some pressure on the crypto market, without a doubt. But we are looking like we're getting some curvature up here, which is pretty nice. I would like to see a test to this. And if we break above this, that's game on for risk on assets, in my opinion. Game on for crypto, game on for big tech. So keep a close eye on that, guys. And I was talking about the BONK and how it's been going crazy. And, it's really rejuvenated Solana after all that bad FUD that was going on because of the mark. I mean, honestly, Solana's marked has a black mark on it from FTX, and this bonk is kind of revitalizing it in a strange way. It's bringing attention to Solana, the Solana NFTs. It's a beautiful thing, honestly. It's a beautiful thing. And Solana has recovered heavily. It's very interesting. But guys, so if you stuck around this far, we are giving a loaded line away at 25,000 subscribers. All you got to do is retweet this tweet, have us followed on the Crypto Report Twitter, and be a subscriber. Also, if you are a member of the YouTube channel, you get plus 10 entries every month, vastly increasing your chances of winning this low line FT for about $2,200. I believe that's what we paid for it. Super excited to give this away, guys. And all you gotta do to become a member is on the channel, click this join button right here, or in the bottom of this video, I'll have it in the description box. Click join. There's different levels. You get different badges, loyalty badges for each month. So say the first month you get this badge, and the next month you get this badge, and so on and so on. And also, you get all these emojis. And on top of that, guys, we have just came out with our private Discord, which I'm going to be integrating for our members, that has NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spots. We're going to have trade signals. I'm very excited to be talking with you guys, and we're going to do Discord calls. Super excited, guys. Super excited. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.